Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to reschedule a lesson on Preply. So you've got a lesson scheduled on Preply and you need to change it for some reason. In this case, my tutor is not available on the specific date, but I already pre-booked automatically. I think it just rolled over. So we have to change the date. So you're going to want to go to the home page, which should just be the default page that you go onto once you've logged into your Preply account. And then we just scroll down here to the Up Next tab. There's an Up Next tab, and then over here there's little three dots here. So it's not super obvious, but you can just click the three dots. And there'll be a little option in a second from the bottom that says Reschedule. Just click this. And you can either schedule this particular lesson. I've actually already had this lesson, so I can't reschedule this, or it would look a bit weird. Maybe I could get a free lesson. I don't think that would trick the teacher. So I just click on all weekly lessons, and you go to reschedule, and it'll give you a little timetable of when the lessons are available and such, all the hours that the tutor is available to do tutoring. So I've been told that he is no longer available on Monday at 7 o'clock, which means I think I have to schedule to another day. So once you've selected a new time that you want to reschedule to, in this case I'm just switching from Monday to Tuesday because the tutor is away on overseas, I think, or is scheduled to be away overseas at that time. So you just go ahead and click the little box that is the time you want, and then the little window will pop up at the very bottom of the screen. You just click confirm new time, and it's pretty easy. And it's now rescheduled, I believe. You just need to click the confirm weekly reschedule here, and I believe that will reset all of the lessons to that specific new date that you've selected. There is, I think, another option which, if you go to reschedule and you just click this lesson, you can reschedule to a different time, but I don't think I can do this one because I've already completed it. But I'm fine with just switching it back and forward. And that's how you you switch the lesson dates or reschedule a lesson on Preply. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.